Hi everyone, I'm Nicole and I'm celiac. I've been an exchange student in the US for 10 months and coming back home I thought to share with you how to make my Italian homemade gluten-free and vegan bread. Here's what you have to do in a few minutes. First of all, we grab this bread kit, we open it, produced by Eatalian Delicious. We open it. And here are the instructions to make your own bread, gluten-free bread. Now, first of all, we open this bag. And we pour the flour in this aluminum box. Okay. After that, we add 7 ounces of water, slowly. And we knead it with a wooden tablespoon. And we still have to knead it. And now we add 1.5 ounces of oil, either peanut butter or sunflower or olive oil, whichever you prefer. And if you want, you can also add a bit of salt, as you prefer. And we still have to knead it until the dough is soft. When the dough is completely mixed, we can cover it with a damp cloth. And let it rise for 2 or 3 hours until it has doubled or tripled its volume. And now we put the dough in the oven and we let it cook at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for 25-30 minutes. And after 25-30 minutes we have to see if it's cooked and ready. Here is our bread. And now let's taste it. Wonderful. Italian Delicious Bread Kit, your Italian bread.